Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Nikola stock, ticker symbol NKLA. Make sure you stick to the end of the video for my opinion on this stock. So Nikola, you can see that currently priced at $89 per share, currently up 103% today, and after hours trading up almost 22%. Past week up 137%, and actually this stock recently IPO'd, so it is definitely surging ever since the IPO. So market cap is $2.17 billion. PE ratio is 593, which is extremely high and expensive, and dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. Taking a look at the company, what it does, so it engages in the provision of zero-emission transportation and infrastructure solutions. So they're very similar to Tesla, and it's competing in the same space, in the same industry, and that's why it's getting a lot of hype in the space, because it seems like there's no other EV that is as competitive as Tesla, even though there's other car manufacturers trying to get into this space, but none of the other competitors have gotten as much attention. So taking a look at why it surged that much today, 103%. You can see that it soared that much ever since so intraday trading, and that's because it announced the reservation date for its new EV electric truck, the Badger. So that's the Badger model. So this vehicle manufacturer plans to open reservations for the Badger on June 29th, according to a tweet from Trevor Milton, the founder and chairman of Nikola. So they went public through a reverse merger with Vector IQ Acquisition Corp last week, and it's one of the first pure play electric vehicle competitors to Tesla. Taking a look at the financials, let's take a look at the key stats. So the fact that it's IPO or did a reverse merger not too long ago, the financials are not too clear. So Yahoo Finance, you can see that a lot of these numbers are not available. You can see 52-week change, 249%. I think some of these numbers are incorrect or inaccurate. So that's all you see when I scroll down. It's not really visible. But personally for me, I would not buy this stock. It's on my watch list, but I don't plan to enter any position soon just because it's a very volatile stock. It's pretty much like a small cap stock. And with that, there's a lot of risk and volatility. And personally for me, for my risk tolerance, I don't plan to ride out such a volatile stock. And between this stock and Tesla, I actually like Tesla a lot more just because there's a proven model. They already have vehicles on the market. They're selling them. It has a lot of popularity, and you can see that the business plan, they're trying to sell more of their Model 3s so that they could become profitable. And once they have more vehicles on the market, they'll have more data to grow their artificial intelligence in their vehicles, and hopefully they'll get a fleet of self-driving cars, self-driving vehicles to compete with Uber, essentially ride-hail service. And that will hopefully be, in the next couple of years, be available to customers. Like I mentioned, I don't plan on entering Nikola or buying the stock, but I plan to continue following it and keep it on my watch list. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on this stock? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.